That one aside, that got the one ambadi, as we are saying, this again they can get it as a tole.
Yes.
As go pronounce ya mangana go contradict each other. Minyorete, ya one by junior school, wale korombe kana separa. A chairman ye budget committee. Egate watu abekire chibesa cho confirm abali mubali bali go some junior school as interns.
Yes.
Akei go treasury gatangaza na pesa ndiko diki.
Chiyo.
But remember, when you are pronounced from parliament, but you have to allocate the resources. Not there is money. But it from treasury, today the same scenario is coming out. That treasury, that treasury. Because treasury again, what they have na babu idea pesa, wala nyale go sustain amangana free education. Na batagete ba share na baibuli. E government reduce to bese jiga. E ba enke na baibuli ba kanenke. EQ kia very dismissed the president wins. Now, omwananchi omanya gotigara utamanya tina what next? Because if the topmost, the CEO of this country,
yes,
or the free education, anchored in the constitution, Article 53(1)(b),
yes,
it guarantee na kero mwana every child has a right to free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education. Amasoma bosa pi Nande, kero mwana make sure no chile school. Ekaro nyora na ade tuire ni pack from what Kibaki ajagete na abana wikabande school basome free basic education, secondary na primary. But whatever that is being pronounced for treasury, I think is neither here nor there. This is misleading Kenyans and conning the Kenyans. That money, there is nothing. Or the dream that they wanted to reduce that money.
Yes.
We want to tell this government because Moma what the government has undergone through. There is a lot of resistance to the current regime for every corner. Now, by Chile, mpaka they want to touch enough yung mwananchi or yung nzali or etu an assurance na mwana na the right ya free and the compulsory education ya basic education. Kama konyo rekoba deprived from masebali. I think that one people experts in education, in total in the education sector, that's not something you can borrow from. Because I wake up from whatever that you have seen.
Yes.
When to understand it and then domain Chiba Yasachi Nyinge, Muarora, the Auditor General. Or the we had ghost schools where man has been siphoned. Chiba Yasachi meant to go for free primary and secondary education. School existence.
Yes.
There is a lot of money leakages, loopholes, Chiba Yasachi lost, and then here the government comes from another hand. There is no money. We can fund free primary and secondary education. So in Dumna stakeholders, particularly system, I think we may not know exactly what is going on. Timanye dina mbadi ngiarengerete about this government. Because these are the people who are rented to later to the government. If the president is not very careful, maybe this guy is out there to sabotage the programs, Mr. President.
Sentiments.
Are you seeing that? When they came in, yes. What is this that Kanya break everything? Like what happened? If they were not that to stress, we gave stress. On 2nd of July, our alumni and the unions, we gave a proposal to treasury. What they did, they went to look for 33.7 billion. To allocate few coins. Each then we have been awarded this back to treasury. Now, budget, CPA, CPA to negotiate this year. It will expire on 30th of June. But we are to give a signal and a warning to the government. Then they decided now we have to sit down so that we award them. Factored in the budget, but they neglected that. The last minute to do it. What is it? It is a new thing that has happened now. That the treasury is telling us that it doesn't have enough money, not just funding, free education yoke.
Okay.
Maybe you're talking about the examinations. The budget, the examinations. So it's going to get narrow, serious cuts. Where are we headed? Who is going to manage these exams? Who is going to mark these exams? Who is going to take care of the education? Having in mind, Dennis.
Yes.
The transition. You know my greatest fear? We are having a transition from grade 9 to grade 10. CPE Ebono wako na CPC. Yeah, but CPE now the grade 10 learners pata gerego so senior school. There is budget cut. This is the time to gerego to a lot of infrastructural development and the resources to sustain that CPE which water the next modern system of education to where the currently. But instead of pumping more money to have more resources, more infrastructure, because you're too much practical oriented than the other one.
Yes.
Now they want to experience budget cuts. Would you think the system of education will be sustainable in the coming years? We are killing the education of this country without knowing slowly the way we handle issues. We don't consult. Somebody wakes up in the morning, makes a pronouncement without consulting other stakeholders. Not even you get the president doesn't know. Treasury is doing this. CS education is doing that. Even the PS education, they are not consulting with the CS education to make the same stand. You are working the same office, but you cannot say in this country. We are worried, and everybody is worried. I myself, in this country. I'm also a parent. I'm worried about my kids. What next with our kids?